guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be trying on some dresses from Boohoo. As you guys know, I like Boohoo. Some of their stuff is a hit, some of it isn't. So I decided to order some dresses from there because Valentine's Day is coming up. It's literally a few days away, but also my birthday is coming up and I want to find a really cute dress to take pictures in. So I decided to go ahead and order some dresses and show you guys what I found on Boohoo. I think it was in their like occasional section, but also in their plus size section, to see like how their dresses are. I never really bought any dresses from Boohoo. I did buy a few from our last haul, but then I had to return pretty much all the dresses because they didn't look right. So I wanted to give them a second chance to redeem themselves and see if we can find the perfect dress for my birthday and for Valentine's Day. I did pick out some dresses that were in different styles, different colors, just different, so that none of them look the same, like our last haul where I literally just had like a whole bunch of shirts and stuff. So this time we just have 5 different dresses in 5 different styles. So let's go ahead and get into it. And as you guys can see, we are in a different kind of angle in my room. My computer is here because I'm doing office work upstairs now, and then I have all my sewing stuff. So let's just act like none of this stuff is in here. So this is a pretty good size bag from Boohoo, and Zara is over here as well. So you guys will hear her and hopefully not see her. But this is a big bag for only 5 dresses. I was like, dang, what did I order? So I'm going to just grab the first dress that I see. And I think I got all the dresses in a size 16 or 18. I got a size 16 because I'm a 16. Oh my God. This looks huge for a 16. But then you never know. Like the last haul, I thought the things looked huge, but then it was like too tight or whatever. So let's go ahead and jump out of my little rags and get into something really cute. Don't forget to click down below and subscribe. Definitely subscribe to my channel. Okay, so far I know a little cleavage is hanging out. Hold up, let me see if I can zip it myself. I have to call in reinforcements. She's boobylicious. Okay, before I even like tie it up and try to cover up, the material is really thin. I mean, it's thin. It has kimono sleeves, kind of like just wide sleeves. They're not even kimono sleeves because it has regular set-in sleeves, but then they're just wide at the end. The neck, I knew that I was getting something plungy, but I didn't realize it was going to be like that plungy. So if I decide to wear this dress, I would definitely have to use boob tape. There's a tie, so let's tie it. It's pretty wide actually, so you can really tie it up. As far as the size, this is kind of spacious for a 16. This is more like an 18. It's kind of big on me, like, to be honest. I don't know if I lost. Sorry, sit down. Oh my God. Oh my God. I didn't realize. Okay, I'm gonna have to blur this, but this skirt pretty much opens, but then it's not, you can't open it all the way because there's a seam right here. But the skirt, there's a mirror behind you guys, so that's what I keep looking at. But the skirt kind of opens here, so it's best that you do tie this, you know, as tight as you can. And I mean, I can tie it pretty tight. Like, as you can see, my waist, I can even tie it even tighter than that, but then I feel like it'll look weird. It's very plungy. I'm trying to see maybe if you can safety pin it, but it's not ugly. I actually like the print, and I don't mind the plunginess, especially if I use like boob tape, but the fabric is thin. I can literally see right through the fabric, but then I don't think you can see my underwear from the back. It kind of feels like a robe. This doesn't feel like something I would wear as a dress. Maybe once I put on some heels and have a wig on and some jewelry. It was, but it's not bad. I don't hate it. And the price wasn't bad, but it's just the material is really thin and it feels pretty cheap. Let's be honest, it's really cheap. Let's show the next one. Okay, so the next one sticking out the bag is this lavender lilac dress. Oh my God. I must have lost weight because these 16s feel pretty big. Okay, this one, the more I zip it up now, it's starting to feel like a 16. Okay, so I had to get Greg to help me zip this up. This fits like a 16, but it's so weird. Okay, first, look how far up on my neck it goes. It goes, the tags are in there, so don't mind the tags, but it goes all the way up here and then it plunges down here, and you can't really, like the other dress, how you can kind of fix it, you can't really do anything. It's so tight. This is like the weirdest fit. I mean, the dress is kind of cute, but look at these. Whoosh. That's how I feel. Like, this is ridiculous. Like, I didn't even know they were this big, but I kind of like it. Like, it's kind of like really cute and I just flowy. I just wish, oh, I didn't know that the back was sheer. That's kind of sexy. I didn't know that. I just wish that this was different because even if I try to pin it, I would definitely have to wear boob tape with this one. But even still, it's just, it feels like a nightgown. Like, I'm coming to bed. I don't know how I feel about this. The fabric is nice. There is some lining, and then you have the little, I forgot what these were called, the little textured dot things, and then you have all the little ruffles, which this is not bad. It's cute. I would totally, you know, rock this. Okay, so the next dress is this cute berry dress. Ooh, I like this color. Like I'm in an 18. Hold up. This one's weird. Okay, y'all hold on. Let me oh, there we go. The tag was stuck. Okay, let me reposition. Was $18.35. It was on sale. So originally I think it was like 20 something. Sorry, gotta fix the old panties. Originally this dress was 20 something, but I got it for like $18.95. I think it was $18.95. It has a little tie on there, so I guess I'm gonna tie it on the side. Honestly, the tie is kind of like unnecessary. The sleeves are a bit weird because it's like you got the shoulder where it comes off the shoulder type of sleeve. It doesn't know what it wants to do, but the fits like a 16. Makes my butt look a little flat, but it's okay because I ain't got much to work with anyways. It has a nice texture. I like this part. I don't know how I feel about this part. I will obviously have to wear some Spanx to kind of smooth everything out. I don't know, but it's not a bad dress. I just feel like, I think this is a miss for me to pass. I want something, I mean, I like it, but then, I don't know. Come on, we got 2 more dresses. Let's see, we have to find the dress. Okay, so the next one is like a nudie blush color. Oh, this one smells. Oh, this one smells funny. Oh, okay. All right, you guys. Okay, it's not terrible. It's very high school-ish, and I am not high school-ish. I like what it's doing. I like that it's concealing. I like that it's giving me shape. I like that it's giving a little cleavage. I don't hate the color. I hate this. Then this skirt is like, oh, I'm in high school, middle school-ish. And then this teardrop is kind of like, if they would have put a button or something, I don't know. This is just not for me. This looks weird, right? Like, what's happening? Is that how it's supposed? That looks weird. I mean, I love the flowiness, but This would be cute for a date night. This would be, you know, for, yeah, something. Just not what I'm looking for. Then the sleeves are pretty long. Okay, yeah, so this is the last dress. Oh my God. First off, the fabric is super thin, super cheap feeling, just like the cheapest fabric they probably ever made something with. It's super cheap and super thin. The neckline has like this scallop, you know, thing, and then the arms, and then at the bottom, but then you can see it's already starting to rip here at the point of the neck. It feels comfortable. It feels like I can just wear this all day throughout the house, but this is not something you can wear on a special occasion to any type of event. I wouldn't even wear this to anyone's funeral. Let's just be real. Yeah, I'm really disappointed that I got 5 dresses and the only dress that I would even consider is this one, and that's because of the color and the style, and that the fit is pretty decent. The only thing is just it's very plunging, but it's easy to kind of manipulate and fix that aspect of the dress. The rest of the dresses are a total flop. I tried my hardest to find 5 different dresses with 5 different styles and colors and looks for you guys so that we can try to find something. As you can see that sometimes these places, they really post the pictures of the girls in these dresses and they are not what you think they are, because if you look at the photos, the models look really cute in the dresses and they're just not for everybody. And this is such a fail. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you ever try some of Boohoo's dresses and what do you think about them. And I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Since you guys are already here, don't forget to click and view some of my latest videos, and don't forget to click and subscribe. See you guys. Bye.